Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Hope you're having a great day. I want to give a shout out, first of all, to Rob at vidIQ. Came across his channel, which really like his channel. They're quick 1-minute video tips, a lot of good YouTube information. There's a lot of changes going on. But the one video that caught my attention as I was looking for was about ad revenue and why my ad revenue has gone down. And one of the things that he shared, which makes sense, is a lot of advertisers spent a lot of money towards the end of the year, and in January it slows down. Therefore, the ad revenue is going to go down. So I noticed it was going down quite a bit, and now it's starting to level up and should go back up. So thought I would just share this with you. I will put the vidIQ channel in the description, so definitely check out the channel. You'll find some really great YouTube tips. He was talking as well about some other things that are going on with YouTube changes. So anyway, just thought I would share this quick video with you. Have a great day. We'll see you on the very next video. Take care.